Hi guys, right, what we want to show you is how fantastic LRC 21 is. This is the colour enhancer. It's a balm type product, like a sort of very thick sort of cream that is colour charged with a black leather dye so that it can recolour faded areas. So on this leather jacket here, you can sort of see this back area has been done already, and you can sort of see the difference, you know, on the back there, you know, compared to the sides and things. So we've done all of this back area here, up to this section, and you can see either side that it's obviously needs doing, and compared to the arm, you can see, you know, the massive difference that you've got there compared to the arm. So what I'm going to do now is give you a quick demo of how to do that. Obviously the jacket has been fully cleaned already, deep cleaned. I'm just going to show you how effective the colour enhancer is of bringing leather back to life again. So here you go, this is the colour enhancer. It's a black charged balm, as I say, with a dye in it. So you get some on here, and you're just going to simply wipe that in to the leather like so. And you can see how effectively and how quickly that is recolouring the leather. And it's just absolutely brilliant. It's very, very easy to use. Just wipe that in like so. Make sure you get it into all the creases and things. Don't leave any sort of like big chunks of the balm in like creases and things like in here. So you'd want to make sure that you get those out of there, you know, just like so, just to wipe those out. And then once that's dry, you can see as we're going around there, colouring that around the actual button itself, you can see the difference that it's making there. That's actually quite staggering amount of difference, look. So I mean, you can see that straight away, the huge effect that it's had on that arm. And we can carry on going down here, and you can see that straight away. Look at that, that's absolutely amazing. That's just instantly recolouring the leather, you know, with the colour enhancer. And you can see the effects that it's got there and how much of a difference that's made and how that's injected life back into the leather immediately. Just keep on rubbing that in. With this product, what you've got to do is, because it's colour charged, once it's dry, you'd allow it to soak into the leather. Once that's obviously soaked in for, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes or so, you can buff it over with a cloth and then seal it over with a protection cream. So again, on this particular part of the arm, get into the crease, right into that crease in there to make sure that's coloured, right into the crease lines, and then we can start to go back down that arm again in this particular section here and just recolouring that as you go. And it is literally that quick and that effective to recolour and rekindle an old favourite from your wardrobe. Got a nice sort of wardrobe item sat there that's doing nothing, that's old and worn, but it's an old favourite, brings back a lot of memories. This is one sure way to bring that jacket back to life again and make it look like brand new quite quickly and quite instantly. So once that's dry, you would protect that over with the protection cream to stop that coming off obviously on you or on things around you. We'll just carry on proceeding to do this arm here to show you the full effects of it. It's a very easy product to use. You are just simply wiping that in and that's it. You can put a second or third coating on if you want, if you actually wanted to. Get right into those creases again. Make sure there's nothing stuck in there, bigger chunks of the balm. Just continue to wipe it in like so. Doesn't matter how much you put on, you know, obviously you don't want to overdo it with huge thickness, is it? Because you can put on a thin layer, buff it, and then put a second layer on if you wanted to. I've just deliberately applied that a little bit thicker there in that particular area, just to show you, you know, what it's like and how effective it is, as you can clearly see. And then back to doing the cuff again, just to finish that off. And there you have it, a leather jacket that's been completely, fully recoloured with the colour enhancer balm, LRC 21, as quick as that. Obviously wear gloves, because you'll get the colour on your hands. It is all water-based colour, so it does wash off, but you can just see the effects there of what that looks like compared to the arm on the opposite side. And as you can clearly see, the differences there are actually staggering. Turn it round so you can see all the way around. You know, it's absolutely amazing the difference that it's made. LRC 21, colour enhancing balm.